Hi everyone, I'm Alan. Now let me show you this beautiful interactive whiteboard and the solutions that we provide for the future education. Okay, here's some brief information about our company. We are PRIMA Technology, a professional manufacturer for interactive flat panel and digital signage. So we provide solutions for the education technology all around the world. Now let's get into the product. Here are some features about this device. So the one behind me is an 86-inch screen. Also we got 65 and 75-inch screen. And it's available with the mobile stand. Also can be wall mounted. And about the screen, this is a 4K resolution UHD display screen with 4mm thickness tempered glass, and it's anti-glare with no shadows. I used high sensitive infrared technology, support multi-touch up to 32 points of touch, and can be used with your fingers or the stylus pen to write on the screen. And work with both Android and the Windows system. And with the cables, it can be used as a computer monitor or as a TV. Also, this device got more than 30,000 hours of lifespan. Now about the system, come with Android system version 5.0, and the CPU is quad-cores with 2 GB memory and 16 GB storage. Support 4K resolution videos. Now, this is some input and output ports in this device you can find. For the input interface, okay, there are 3 HDMI and 1 display port, 1 VGA port, 1 audio port. Also got 4 USB ports, which including 1 USB on the top for the camera and 2 USB on the left bottom here for user-friendly. And for the output interface, it has 1 HDMI out and 1 RS-232 serial port. Also 1 earphone, 1 SPDIF digital audio port, and also got 2 touch out ports. Now for the network, it has 1 LAN port, which is a standard RJ45. Now for wireless interface, this device got a Bluetooth 4.1 and Wi-Fi, of course, but they are both integrated in the pluggable modules that we have in this device. So with these 2 slot-in modules, you can have higher version of the system. For this Android box, you can have Android system version 7.1, and it can be online upgrade to the 8.0 for free. For the PC model, which is a standard OPS, which is a standard OPS, come with Windows system, okay, and has Intel i5 or i7 CPU with 4 GB or 16 GB DDR4 memory, and 128 GB storage with the SSD drive. Also, there are some extra ports in this box you can have here. Okay, and on the side of this panel, you can find some control buttons here, including the power button, menu, and the volume controls. Also, this device got come with the smart pen, this one. Okay, you can use this pen to write on the screen or control the screen like I'm doing now. It's very convenient. Also, some basic functions in this smart pen you can find. Now the software, the interactive software that we have called UberMate, which is already integrated in this device, so you can have for free. And this is the main interface of the software and some basic functions in the software. Now I'm going to show you all the things that you can do with this interactive whiteboard. Okay? So the most basic thing you want is to write on the screen, right? But before I run the interactive software, I want to tell you that you can just walk up to the panel and start writing immediately, like this. Okay, select the pen. Now write whatever information you want on the screen. So no matter in Android or Windows system, and then no need to open any software, you can just write notes directly on the screen, even when you are playing the videos. Now you also got basic functions like eraser, okay, and the screenshot here. And then notice that this screen supports multi-touch. Okay, has 32 points of touch, in fact. So you can have some students coming to the panel and writing at the same time. Now let me run the interactive software XIAMEN, and it's both Android and Windows system compatible. But I'm going to run in the Windows system because the Windows is mostly used for the teachers. And actually it's easy and quick for you to switch between two operation systems like this. Okay, you can switch to Android system anytime you want, or switch to other sources like the laptop, computer monitor, or even a TV. Now this is the XIAMEN. Let me run the software. Okay, this is the main interface of the XIAMEN. Now look at the icons here. Okay, let me start with pen. We provide different kinds of pen for you: the hard point, the soft pen, which is the brush, and the laser pen, highlighter, and other kinds. You can change the line thickness and the colors and the write on the screen. And you can use the highlight, okay, not to highlight the word, or use the laser pen to circle it. So the laser pen is basically for the temporary marking. It will flicker 4 times and disappear. Now in the select mode, you can just click it as an object to move around on the screen. I'll change the format, like the line colors, transparency, and the thickness. Also, after writing, you can just use your hand palm as an eraser to clear the writings. Okay, or select the object here to clear, or simply slide to clear all the writings. Now another advantage of this kind of the interactive whiteboard is that you are able to replay the pages. So everything you have done, you just done on this page, you can replay. Let me show you. Now let me change the background first. Okay, I'm gonna use this, and let me write some simple letters on the screen. Okay, now this is the page replay button here. To play as fast or as slow as you want. For all the motions you just done on the screen. So this is quite handy if you want to replay the information of the letters, or if you are teaching foreign languages like difficult characters of the Chinese or Japanese. Now you can also type the text onto the screen here, the text. Okay, to insert the text. Now just tap on the screen and select the font. Any font that was installed in this device you can use. Okay, let me select the number 1 and select the size, colors of the letter. Now you need to bring up the soft keyboard. Okay, and then to type the word. Now once again you can tap on it as an object to move around on the screen. Okay, I'll change the format, of course. Now you also got handwriting recognition. Handwriting here, and you can write on the screen. And it will format that into the type text form. Okay, see? Now you can also select a variety set of the shapes here. You can choose one you want to use, and this will allow you to drag the shape onto the screen. Okay. You can alter the shape. Okay, or rotate as you want. or change the format, like the outline thickness, colors. And then you can also fill the color into this shape. Go to the color box here. Okay, choose the different colors to fill into the shape. Now, during the lesson, you can also insert the images or photos or any document in the software. Here, insert. Okay, select the images. Let me put some beautiful images for you. Flowers. Okay, you can move around, zoom in or zoom out. Let me put some bees. Okay, and the butterfly. And for these images, you can clone it. Okay, now you got two. Also, you can mirror it. Okay, now you got three. And then you can flip it and then move on the screen. And you can choose which image is on the top layer or bottom layer. Now if you want to, you can also group these images together. Just need to drag a box over these images. Okay, now this is the group button. Okay, now this is one whole thing. Okay, you can move around or save it for later use. You can also put hyperlink into the images or objects to play the sound or videos for your students. Now, for instance, I want to teach a lesson about World War II, okay? Let me put the images on the screen first. Now, I want to play a video for my classroom. Now, I just need to insert the hyperlink here. Okay, let me find the video. Now, once you tap on the images, you can play the videos for your students.
In these conditions, thousands of men
with full screen or just a small area on the screen.
And the German army are at the gates of Moscow. One last push, and Soviet finish.
And you can hear the sound because this device got two 15-watt speakers on the back and plus one bass speaker. So the sound performance is surrounded and much great. Now, during the lesson, you can also open the documents in our software here. So any format can be supported, including Excel, Word, PowerPoint, PDF. All the format can be supported. Now let me just open a PDF file. Okay, it's loading. Now you got all the pages of this PDF file here. And of course you can write notes on it. So another thing that you can do in our whiteboard is that you are able to bring things in with the document camera. Go to the tools here. Okay, this software already got some integrated tools ready to go, and this is the camera. Now it's connected to this document camera here. So as you can see, what I got here is a brochure of our products. Okay, and of course I can write notes. And take pictures and use this picture in the software. We also got some useful tools here, like the snapshot, okay? To screenshot with small area of full screen, and the captured images will be showing in the new page. Now we also have other tools like the screen recorder here. Okay, to recording anything that is on this screen. And let me show you. Let me just hit the record button. As you can see on the top, it's recording now. Now let me show you other small tools we have. The calendar, the clock, and the time counter. Okay, these are very useful for the classroom. And of course, you can switch to the desktop anytime you want. Okay, to run the browser to go to the website. Now let me just stop the recording. Okay, and you can save these recording videos in the device. Let me save to the desktop. Okay. As you can see, the video is here. So all the process that I just done has been recorded in this video. You can use this video like uploading to the YouTube, TeacherTube, or your own cloud service. We also have some useful tools for the different subjects here. The subject tools. For the mathematics lesson, you can use the ruler, okay? Triangle ruler. The protractor to draw the lines. Or use the compasses to draw the circle. You can select the line colors. Okay. And you can also insert the formula. Here. And you can also make the coordinate. Okay, like this. It's very useful. And make the function map. You need to insert the formula. Okay, like this. And even make some math exercises for students. Okay, start the question. Okay, bring up the keyboard. And check the answers here. Now for English lesson, you can also make a word puzzle like this. And for chemistry lesson, you can show the whole periodic table of the elements for your students. And you can also insert the chemical equation on the screen. Okay, again, bring up the soft keyboard, and we already got some equations here you can use. Okay. Now for the geography lesson, you can show the whole solar system. You can see all the planets in the solar system. Now tap on the Earth. You can see the detailed information of the Earth. It's a 3D map. You can also show other kinds of the map and the information about this planet here.